Hello everyone, how are you guys? This is Captain Facts right here. Let's get straight into the video. So, in this video, I'll be telling you how to make this. This is basically a study timer which I made because I just wanted a timer. So, I'll be telling you how to make this in just 52 lines of Python. Very easy, right? So, let's get straight into it. Now, for first, you have to install a PIP. So just come into the terminal, which you can see right here. Type pip space take tkinter. No, sorry. Install tkinter, and then click enter. I already have this, so it will show an error for me. Just click enter, and it will download by itself. Next, what all you have to do is type first import tkinter. Sorry, tkinter as tk. So this is the variable which we will be using for this entire name, so that becomes easy. So after importing this from tkinter, we'll import ttk, which is another variable in tkinter. So another thing, you have to install another pip. So again, go right there and type pip install pillow and click enter. I already have it. Again, it will show me an error. So click enter, you will get the pillow interpreter, and then next what you have to do is click on from pil, which means pillow, import image and image tk. So tk is nothing but tkinter, which I've just told now. So we have to import these two. Then next you have to import time and threading, both from pil, which means pillow. So now let's start the code for the actual timer. So define run timer. So there will be three things in this window, which is minutes, which means time, progress bar, which you can see as it runs like this, and then time label. Yeah, so it will be written right here, time. So total seconds, how many hours seconds you want, will be number of minutes into 60. Yeah, because each minute has 60 seconds, right? It's pretty common. So if second is in range, then total seconds plus 1. You have to just add that 1 second. Minutes on the left, minutes which are left will be number of total seconds minus 1 second by 60. Yeah, so this is easy. Seconds left will be total seconds into 60. So the time string f colon minutes left is to 2, seconds left is to 2. Time label will be configured as text, time left, and then this colon, which will be showing here, displaying on the top row right here. Then progress bar, which I just said, this thing, progress bar, it gets completely filled with blue as the time gets less and lesser. So yeah, for that its value will be seconds, at which second you are, divided by the total second into 100, right? Then time, for the time we need for an interval between every second, will be 1 second, obviously, but Python doesn't know that, so we have to just give the command for it. Next comes time underscore label. So time label will be configured when time is over, like when the time finishes, the time label will show time's up, great job. So it basically encourages you to do more. Then the progress bar value will become 100 whenever the time becomes complete. Then start timer button. So here timer underscore thread, when we click on this, it goes directly to the run timer, which means it opens the timer in the order minutes, progress bar, and then time label. So for now the code for creating another new window. So for creating a new timer window, which will be in minutes, so window is equal to tk.tk bracket. It is just like taking a variable. So window.title will be study timer, and Windows geometry will be 1920 into 1080. You can like take this resolution as per the image you want to put in the background. So I had the image having this much of resolution, so I put this. Then what I have to do is background BG image, which means basically background image, will be image open and the background image name which you want. In my case it is timer bg.jpg, so I have put it here. And then background image resize will be, again you have to put this same resolution over here, so 1920 into 1080. Yeah, so this is a variable which will help in resizing the image, or else it won't happen. In many older versions of Python it would be ani alias. So now it is not like that, right? Now background label will be tk, which is taken to tkinter dot label into windows of image of the window will be the background photo, and then background label will be placed at x will be 0 and y 0. These are the coordinates basically, and width and height will be 1. So time label will be tkinter dot label windows text will be time left will be the it will be showing the time left, then the font which you want, font size, font color, and background. Next, progress bar, the same thing, tkinter progress bar window open orient horizontal. So the progress bar will be horizontal, length is 300, it will be 300 units whichever it takes, and it will be the mode indeterminate, so it will go on like this. Okay, so when you start the timer, minutes, progress bar and time label will open, and basically the window will be in loop. So here at the last create timer window, here you how much ever minutes you want you can put over here. I want 60 minutes, so I have put it. Now you have created a timer on your own in Pycharm in just 52 lines of Python. For the result, you can see this. I have put the image I had wanted. You can put any image you want. So I'll be putting this code in my description. You can copy it from there if you want. You can take a reference. So if you found this video helpful, like the video, comment in this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.